X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profits in proportion to 3:2 with capitals of 80,000 and 60,000 respectively. Interest on capital is agreed at 5% per annum. Y is to be allowed an annual salary of 6,000 which has not been withdrawn during the year 2013-14. Profits for the year prior to calculation of interest on capitals but after charging Y's salary amounted to 24,000. So before preparing profit and loss account, we have to prepare one profit and loss account to adjust Y's salary, and a provision of 5% of the net of the profit is to be made in respect of commission to the manager. So manager's commission to allow or to provide for 5% of the profits in respect of manager's commission, it can be adjusted through only profit and loss account. So first of all you have to prepare a working note to provide for manager's commission. Working notes. Working notes. Profit and loss account. Profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March. If no date is given, it is written for the year 2013-14. It can be assumed to be ending on 31st March 2014. This is debit, this is credit. This is your working note to adjust for manager's commission. This is your debit side of the account, particulars rupees, particulars rupees. Always you have to practice in this way. Particulars rupees, particulars rupees. By net profit brought down. By net profit brought down. Rupees 24,000 plus rupees 6,000 is equal to rupees 30,000. To manager's commission, you have to provide for manager's commission in this way. So manager's commission means manager is to get a commission of this much. Manager is to get a commission of 5% to manager's commission. Manager's commission. He is to get 5% of 30,000. 30,000 into 5%. That is 1500. Your left out version is to net profit carried down to or to profit and loss appropriation account. Appropriation account. Out of this 30,000, if you are deducting 1500, you will be getting 30,000 minus 1500 is equal to 28,500. After this, you have to prepare fair notes. Fair notes. Profit and loss appropriation account. Account for the year ended 31st March 2014. This is debit side of your account and this is credit side of your account. So please draw the format. With particulars and rupees. Particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees. By profit and loss, by profit and loss account. $28,500. After that, interest on capital is agreed at 5%. To interest on capital, to interest on capital for X, to interest on capital, capitals for X, this is 80,000 into 5%. 80,000 into 5%, rupees 4,000. For Y, this is rupees 60,000 into 5%, 3,000, 7,000. And salary, which we have already added in the profit and loss account above, we have to deduct or appropriate this in the profit and loss appropriation account. To salary, to salary Y, to salary Y, rupees 6,000. The next one is to profit. To profit transfer to capital account. To profit This is for X and Y. Now find out the net profit and distribute in the ratio 3:2 as given in the question. It is 28,500 minus 13,000, that is amounting to rupees 15,500. That is to be distributed in the ratio of a 3:2. Rupees 15,500 into 3 by 5. Same for Y into 2 by 5. That is for X, that is 9,300. 9,300, and for Y it is 6,200, that is 15,500.